Hi guys, how are you? Mine this one, titanium. Welcome back to Real Macroeconomics and Investing. A lot of things to talk about. I haven't been able to make a video here for a while, so I'm going to make one now. We'll start with Warren Mosler. First of all, congratulations to him and bravo to him. He's a really classy guy because today we have a post from him that 7 deadly innocent frauds are going to be amended. And he's going to actually define that it's the old dollars and circulations that actually get destroyed, okay? And there's going to be a clarification of that. So saying taxes don't fund government spending is just crap, okay? It's finally going to be resolved. Bravo to him. When somebody's wrong and the facts change, so must you. And that's a class act, definitely. So we're very proud here at Pure MMT and Real Macroeconomics, and I want to thank Edward. Edward is the one that started it. Me, of course, I supported it as well. If you look at all of my videos where I explain I build an economy from scratch, this is what I've been saying, that the taxes don't fund government spending. Saying is wrong, okay? Edward, of course, he's the one that spearheaded this, and somehow we came together and we created Pure MMT. Only 2 ways you can destroy dollars. It's either running a budget surplus or if you pay down private debt. That's the only way you can destroy dollars. The opposite of what creates them. Okay, it's very simple. So bravo to Mr. Warren Mosler. So let's talk about the markets, okay? A lot of broken charts all over the place, but that's okay because I want you to think about this, that where we were in 2015 to where we went to recent highs, okay? It's a very big move. It's a huge move, all right? So to see the market come down the way it has, it's not unexpected. I'm sorry, it's not. It needed to happen. They needed to correct. Now you have a lot of bear shedders out there. Oh, well, it's over, and then you have the other ones, on the time clock. Well, it's 10 years. We have to go into recession now. No, that's not the way it works. I'm sorry. That's just, a bunch of bear shedders thinking that they're right again. But fundamentally, everything is looking good. Now, I want to be clear about this. I am not a contrarian for the sake of being a contrarian. I didn't just wake up and well, the market's down and now I'm buying. No. It's I didn't do anything like that, okay? And just to be clear, the first part of this whole move, I was short. And in fact, I increased my portfolio size by 100,000. I quoted my account this year, live in front of everybody, all my subscribers, they saw it. And now we have enough cash in our account, and I'm buying incrementally small down here and building a position. Does that mean it's the bottom? No, it can go all the way down to the lows of 2015. I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. Tomorrow a bomb goes off. Do you guys know if that's going to happen? I don't know. Okay? But what I do know is that there's evidence that says down here is a good entry to buy small. Okay, so that's what we're doing, and I usually don't give this kind of information out, but I just want everybody to know where I stand. Okay, the biggest threat to a bull market, or I define it as a sideways market, but let's just say to the sideways and bull market, the biggest threat is Mike Norman. And the reason he is the biggest threat is because he's like, well, there's no recession. Woo, the market is going much, much higher. No. Well, we all know that he's always wrong. So, he's the old Peter Schiff clown indicator. Every time he said the market was crashing, it would go much higher. Well, it's the same thing now with Mike Norman. That he's so bullish. And it's like, oh, well, if he's bullish, maybe we should do the opposite, right? So he's the actual biggest threat to the bull market or sideways market. Again, I shorted heavily when no one was looking, and now I'm buying a very small, okay, at key areas. And if you guys want to know when I'm making these purchases, you got to come down to Real Macroeconomics on patreon.com/mindthisone, and I will keep you guys in tune. Bonds. Remember bonds? Oh, they crossed the line. You know, it's not about the line, right? It's going to go much, much higher now. It's going higher. What happened? 2.78 today. I told you. It's not going to go. It's not going to happen. All right? I'm not going to explain why, but I told you that this was not going to happen. So they're right back down 2.78. Okay? Not surprising to us. So, you know, right again. That's two for Real Macroeconomics, right? You look at, you know, the market is down 15%. And they're like, well, it's only 15%. No, that's not the way it works. Because if you have some individual stocks, they're down 30, 35%, some 40, right? There's a lot of stocks out there getting crushed. And even the FANGs, you know, the big suckers, they're getting crushed. Okay, so if somebody's telling you like, well, the market is only down 15%, and then you look at your screen and you're down, you know, 25, 30, 35, 40%, you're like, well, fuck, I don't I don't give a shit. It's down 15%. My fucking portfolio looks like Syria, right? Red everywhere. Or at least you're losing profits or whatever. But, you know, to say it's only down 15%, that's not accurate. That's not right. Okay. So, you know, if you are in those kind of stocks, hold out. It's going to be, you know, if you do want to sell, there'll be a much better price to sell at. Okay. What else? Oil. Oil's come down, hit 50. Again, a long time ago, I said short above 74. And this was in the summertime, and everybody's like, oh, well, the EIA report said, well, where's it at today, right? Again, it's one of these things that can go all the way down to 43, 41, 42. It can really come down. So we're buying, actually. Okay, I don't think it's going to last that long at this time. Okay, there's going to be a corrective move, and it'll probably be very violent. Okay, it will go back up again, just like stocks. Might be 3-6 months from now, but it's going higher. So the dollar. Think about it. You know, first of all, don't be buying dollars now. Okay, you should have been buying dollars when I was telling you to buy dollars when it was down to 88. And, you know, some experts out there on MMT were saying, oh, the mother of all shorts is the dollar. Remember that? Right? See? So think about it. Do you want to own euros? You want to own the pound? What do you want to own? Right? Dollar is still the place to be. Now, there could be a correction. And you might see a pop in the euro. But that still, you want to be in the dollar. Okay? We don't know how many rate hikes are going to be next year. Data dependent. But again, for now, at least, dollar is the place to be. Oil we talked about. Bitcon, you know, again, I said buy below 5,500. It can go as low as 2,500. Okay? You want to be buying in this area. But don't be expecting that you're going to make money tomorrow. No. It's not the way it works. You shouldn't be buying on leverage either. Okay? So Bitcoin is up above 4,000 again. It's going to fluctuate, go a little sideways, frustrate people. If they don't scare you out, they'll wear you out, right? That's the name of the game. But again, Bitcoin is worth nothing, yes, but Bitcoin is a casino. And casinos are not going to go away. And neither is Bitcoin. Okay? So over the course of time, you will make money if you're buying down here. Just don't expect tomorrow. What else? That's about it. Again, bravo to Mr. Warren Mosler. To all you guys, the little trolls out there, the so-called MMT experts, why don't you come back here, right down here, see where it is? I want you to type, yes, you were wrong. Sorry, okay? Sorry. Yeah, we didn't mean to thumb down your pure MMT. Okay? Taxes don't fund government spending is bullshit. Taxes destroy dollars. Bullshit. Okay? So, be manly. Even if you're a woman. Be manly. Okay? Do the right thing. Admit, learn, and move on. You know, that's how learning is done. So, that's it for now. If there's another video that I think I need to do, I will do it. And don't get too bearish out there. Fundamentals are good. And that's it. Thank you very much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.